Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce another great course. This course is ideal for students a high score on the Digital Sat English section, especially those who struggle with grammar and reading comprehension or need effective strategies to boost their reading, writing, and vocabulary skills. It covers foundational training, targeted practice, and advanced techniques for answering challenging exam questions. It's perfect for learners who seek a comprehensive, practical course from a trusted instructor. The course has over 19,000 students and a 4.5 rating, making it a proven and valuable resource. Its current price is around €50. By purchasing this course, you'll have complete access and receive future updates. The course runs for 31.5 hours and offers a certificate upon completion. Here's what you'll learn in this course: master SAT grammar, conquer tenses, agreement, passives, and more. Fix 100 plus common errors. Crack SAT reading, master strategies, boost speed, and dominate complex passages. Build SAT vocab, learn high-yield words for stronger comprehension and writing. Ace SAT English, gain the skills and confidence to score high. Practice makes perfect. Now I want to share this valuable course with you, for free and completely legally. To get started, subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Next, open your browser and search for the website address, discountedcourseninja.com on Google. From the search results, click on the correct link. Make sure the site address matches what you see here and you'll be redirected to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you'll land on the main page of the site. On the site, you can access a variety of course discount coupons. Use the search bar to find the course you're looking for. Alternatively, browse through the categories to find your preferred subjects. You'll find our featured course there. To get the discount coupon, scroll down and click on the button labeled Get the Coupon. The course will be available to you for free. Note that the coupon may be time limited. With just a few clicks, you've now legally and freely accessed this course. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.